we've got baby birds. We've got a nest of baby birds in there. This starling with 4 little babies. And she's finally realised that they're there. She's found the babies. Haven't you, Rox? She's found mummy bird in my plant with 4 baby birdies in there. Watch her. Look. I didn't know she could jump that much. Rox. She's spotted the birds. She's naughty. She's naughty, guys. I'll show you. See, I'll show you what you mean. This is mummy birdie. She's in the nest with 4 babies that have just hatched. I will send pictures of the babies with this video. But yeah, she's realised they are there. And now she thinks she's going to jump and get them. She's naughty. She's naughty, guys. She's naughty. She'll get them. Sorry for the babies when they're born. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.